Build your brand. Hello and welcome. If you want to build your own brand, whether it's a personal brand or company brand, this course is for you. We have 11 modules in this program, and step by step we will move from the psychology behind the branding all the way to creating a strong and lasting brand in a real life. Let me give you a quick overview of what you will learn in each module. Module 1. Psychology and self-awareness in branding. We start with mindset, belief, and self-awareness. A brand is not a logo, it's the image people hold in their mind about you. Module 2. What is a branding? Here we define branding is a simple way and explain the difference between personal, corporate, and product brands. For example, Elon Musk is a personal brand, a Starbucks is a corporate brand, and the iPhone is a product brand. Module 3. Personal branding. Who needs a personal brand? Entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and influencers. We cover the key elements: your story, your expertise, your digital presence, and your brand voice. Module 4. Corporate branding. How we look at a company branding, how it's different from personal branding, and why it's matter for growth. We cover vision, value, visual identify, and company culture. Module 5. Building a brand from zero. This module gives you the roadmap from the mission and vision to naming, visual identify, brand voice, and communication channels. Module 6. AI tools for branding. We explore how AI can help you with branding, content strategy, logo design, video graphic, and brand management. Module 7. Brand growth and marketing. A brand must grow. Here we cover content marketing, social media, digital ads, and influencer collaboration. Module 8. Audience psychology and building trust. Why do people trust your brand? We look at the psychological techniques like consistency, social proof, and authority. Module 9. Brand longevity and adapting to change. Brand must adapt to survive. We talk about rebranding and keep your brand alive in a changing world. For example, Microsoft transformation from software to cloud and AI. Module 10. Choosing the right field today. Which industry are growing fastest right now? AI, sustainability, health, education, e-commerce? What of? Which one? All of them we can discover together. Module 11. Action plan. Finally, we put everything into action with exercise and checklist. Writing your brand's statement, setting up your professional profile, and creating your first branded content. So, this is what you can expect in this course. We will start with psychology and self-awareness, move through personal and corporate branding, explore AI and marketing, and end with a real action plan. Each model brings you a step closer to building a strong and lasting brand. This is MizanRise and I am Hossein Khani. Welcome to new course.